Sir, good morning! Good afternoon and good evening. Tingnan niyo yung flower. Ang ganda, di ba? Kasi ang ganda ko. Dito talaga ako nag-entro. Tingnan niyo. Diyan talaga ako nag-entro kasi ang ganda ng view. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan, pero ang ganda ng flower. Yung iba namamatay na, yung iba nabubuhay. This is fresh. Oh my God, thank you Lord for your creation. May langaw pa dyan na oh. And thank God. Kasi today is Thursday. Thank you for the blessings. Thank you for the good health. And may God bless you all. Time check is 5:58 p.m. in the morning. Sinabi ko talaga. Pasensya na kayo kung medyo matigas ako magsalita. I am Elonga kasi from Rojas City, Capiz. So, ginagandahan ko naman yung salita ko pero hindi talaga girl, hindi talaga uubra. I don't know why. Step 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ang init. Yung nauuna ka pa talaga sa mga nagtatrabaho dito. Sorry naman. Mas maagap na yung masikap. Tama ba yun? Ay, thank you Lord. Walang tao sa gym. Pero magti-treadmill muna tayo. At kailangan natin muna, bago tayo mag-start, kailangan natin disinfect. Kasi maraming gumagamit pag hapon. So, let's disinfect the equipment that we're gonna use before we're gonna start our morning routine. So, let's start. Mag-until ano lang tayo, mga 4. And then, i-taas natin yan ng mga yan. Tapos later, we will put 9.5. Kasi nai-elevate siya. Tingnan nyo. Nai-elevate. Elevate. Whatever. Like this. So, don't forget that health is wealth. Always start your day to be active and to be healthy and to pray. Especially. Okay? Thank you everyone. Have a blessed day to all of us all over the world. Mwah.